Hello, hi, welcome back to Not So Nerdy. Thank you so much for the last 3 episodes. Uske comments, uske feedback, they're really very encouraging. And today's episode is a tad bit different. I think the last time when we talked about who we are and what we're doing here, we spoke that we're MBA graduates and we've been trying to learn about management and coming from a lot of fans background, so that's a new thing for all four of us.
Yes.
And it's been quite interesting as a journey, so we decided that let's use this platform to talk about more of what we are learning, and also try to listen to everybody who's been doing something that we're doing right now or has already done it. For us, the niche is healthcare. We are moving very fastly into the healthcare sector and trying to understand it from a management perspective, which is quite unique and new in its form, right? Because when you really listen to HR or marketing, हमको तो लगता था कि यार ये तो नहीं होता ना hospital
राइट
में.
हॉस्पिटल्स में मार्केटिंग
हाँ, right, we don't know. And with medicines also कितने ही हमने दवाइयों के advertisements देखे हैं, या फिर यहाँ आके पता चल रहा है कि सिर्फ advertisements marketing नहीं है.
एक्चुअली
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's been a huge learning for us, and we decided to then do this episode to just talk about that today. So that's what we're going to do. It's a tad bit nerdy this time. We hope you like it, but yeah, we're just talking about certain theories.
या आई थिंक व्हाट यू सेड कि मेडिसिन्स के कितने ही ऐड हम लोग देखते हैं, तो ऐसे नहीं होता कि रैंडमली कंपनीज डिसाइड करती है कि उन्हीं इसका ऐड हो. देयर इज अ होल मैट्रिक्स दैट इज यूज्ड बाय दिस कंपनीज. इट्स कॉल्ड द BCG बॉस्टन कंसल्टिंग ग्रुप्स मैट्रिक्स विच इज़ यूज्ड, जिसमें ऐसा होता है कि 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स है. द फर्स्ट इज़ द स्टार्स, विच इज़ की जो मेडिसिन फॉर श्योर बिकने ही वाले हैं, हाई डिमांड है उन कंपनीज का, तो दे हाईली इन्वेस्ट इन दोज मेडिसिन का मार्केटिंग.
Right.
तो उसके बहुत कॉन्शियसली एड्स प्ले होंगे सो दैट कि वो और बिके और फिर वो
right.
मनी मेकिंग है बेसिकली.
Right.
द सेकेंड वन इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क्स, कि जो नए आए हैं और उनको पता ही नहीं है कि वो काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा, सो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो उसका बहुत स्ट्रेटेजिकली मार्केटिंग होता है कि इतना ही मार्केटिंग हो कि वो नहीं चला तो वो लोड भी ना आए, बट इनफ हो कि अगर चल गया तो फिर वो काम भी करे.
Nice.
द सेकेंड वन इज द काउज, कैश काउज है नेक्स्ट वाला, जिसमें कि जो मतलब एवरीडे यूज में ये होते हैं, जैसे पेन किलर्स जो हम लोग जिनके एड्स हम लोग देखते भी नहीं है, जो हमारे घर पे भी सालों से यूज कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स लाइक कि उसका मार्केटिंग नहीं भी किया तो भी वो चलने ही वाले हैं.
Right.
तो इसीलिए वो लोग ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करते उसमें,
Right.
उन मेडिसिन.
Right.
एंड द लास्ट वन इज द डॉग्स, जो ओल्डर मेडिसिन है जिनका डिमांड बहुत लो है, कंपटीशन भी बहुत ज्यादा है, so there is no point of marketing those.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
इसीलिए कंपनीज उनमें इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करती है. So this whole thing is very interesting कि हमको ऐसा लगता है कि ओ फार्मा में क्या ही मतलब
Yeah.
कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लाया तो मार्केट कर दो, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है कि उनके कितने ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे जो वो मार्केट ही नहीं करते बट बिक रहे हैं.
Right.
और ऐसे
Yeah.
होता है कि वो मार्केट कर रहे हैं पर नहीं बिक रहे हैं, या फिर मार्केट कर रहे हैं और बिक भी रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think-
That's very
Yeah.
interesting.
इट्स
Nice.
समथिंग टू थिंक अबाउट,
Yeah.
क्योंकि आजकल फार्मा में बहुत मेडिसिन आ गई हैं, देयर इज टू मच कॉम्पिटिशन.
Yes.
ऐसे हमें लगता है कि एक मतलब ऐसे कोई भी ब्रांड का अगर हमने देख लिया तो हमें लगता है कि ओ ये मेडिसिन, बट एक्चुअली देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मेडिसिन दैट दे आर
Yeah.
सेलिंग, बट दैट वी हैव नो क्लू अबाउट. ओनली
Yes,
डॉक्टर्स नो
that's true.
बिकॉज दे प्रिस्क्राइब इट. उसमें
Yes.
भी मार्केटिंग आता है कि तुम
आता है.
कितने मेडिसिन कितने लेवल तक डॉक्टर्स तक भी पहुंचा रहे हो.
Yeah. That's
And
interesting
also,
actually.
Yeah.
वो ऐसे ही नहीं बेच सकते, लाइक यू नो अगर किसी कुछ वो जैसे चॉकलेट चोकोस इसके ऐड होते हैं, वो कैसे मजा आता है, कुछ भी इसमें शक्ति आयरन एंड ये सब वो मेडिसिन के साथ नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, that's very
So
interesting.
क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी
has to
नहीं
be
होती when it
ethical.
comes
हाँ.
to
Yeah.
medicines.
And like, there are acts, there is Drugs and
Yeah, there's
Cosmetic Acts,
ethical-
which ethics board regulations which do not allow.
Right.
And right, like this is interesting also because जैसे तूने बोला कि हमको तो लगता था कि डॉक्टर्स ही देते हैं मेडिसिन, राइट? लाइक फार्मा प्रिस्क्राइब करती है, डॉक्टर्स तो पता था, and now there's a matrix that goes. That's quite interesting. Yeah.
So I would like to talk about one that is called as ADIA marketing. So A is attraction, I is interest, D is desire and E is action. So attraction is customers को attract करना is really important, और यहाँ पे तो patients है, like it's literally जीवन का सवाल है उनके. तो फिर किसी हॉस्पिटल ने like ये डाला like an advertisement और a post regarding to cardiac health, जैसे कि आजकल यंग एज से ही हार्ट इश्यूज बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं, तो फिर अबाउट द चेकअप. फिर उसके बाद लोगों के दिल में उत्सुकता, नॉट उत्सुकता नहीं होती, इट्स काइंड ऑफ अवेयरनेस अमॉन्ग्स देम, वो जगह होता है कि यार दिस इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट, ध्यान देना चाहिए. फिर आता है इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट तो फिर वो हॉस्पिटल की वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं, दे चेक अबाउट द हॉस्पिटल, द कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, द मशीन्स, द टेक्निक्स दैट हैव बीन यूज्ड, द प्राइसिंग मॉडल वो कैसे है, इज इट अफोर्डेबल फॉर देम. फिर आता है डिज़ायर. अब उन्हें जाके समझा है कि इट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, हार्ट्स हेल्थ. तो फिर डिज़ायर होता है कि हमने जाके चेकअप करना ही चाहिए, इट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. और फिर आता है एक्शन, कि दे गो टू द हॉस्पिटल्स वेबसाइट, फिल द फॉर्म्स और बुक अपॉइंटमेंट्स, कंसल्ट करते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट लाइक यू नो कुछ तो मार्केट करना है इसलिए कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि किसी भी चीज का जैसे आजकल हो रहा है मार्केटिंग, दिस इज रिगार्डिंग देयर लाइफ. तो हॉस्पिटल्स हैव टू बी रियली लाइक क्लियर एंड यू नो मतलब पेशेंट को ऐसे लगे कि जादू की छड़ी घुमाई और हार्ट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गए. ऐसे नहीं होता. इट्स अ प्रोसेस, इट्स अ ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस फॉर द पेशेंट. सो या
That's so interesting, right? And the theory that I'm going to be talking about is similar, right? Like, because hospitals were the one sector in healthcare which we really thought as service providing always, right? We thought community led, and then came on to these big names in the 2000s to 2010s, and now where institutions started building. Like AIMS was the only institution we knew, and ऐसे होता था कि अगर हमें किसी को पता चला कि okay, this is a doctor from AIMS who's telling me to go to the doctor, then हमको लगता था कि this is it. Good place for me to tell my family members, okay, let's go and do this checkup, or let's go and seek a doctor. And of course, what she said कि हम life के साथ खेल रहे, so nobody just goes to the hospitals for the sake of it, right? So I think that is the core marketing concept, which is the value proposition. Like everybody talks about in production or manufacturing is कि what value is your product bringing in the market. And for hospitals, it's not just now limited to whether तुम्हारे पास doctors है कि नहीं, but really how well is your patient feeling after that, right? So it's for every rupee that you're spending in the hospital, are you feeling better for it?
Customer
right?
satisfaction is the
Yeah,
new way,
it's
no?
now in that sense.
I think we are at customer or patient delight.
Yes,
We are more
yes,
at that
exactly.
place.
And patient delight in all forms. Like family needs to be fine because your patient is unwell, and everybody. So for hospitals, it's very interesting how value proposition is now coming in a big way for different stakeholders. So earlier it was just about few doctors who used to be a part of this, who used to by word of mouth tell everybody that this is a good hospital because मैं काम कर रहा हूँ या ऐसा कुछ. And now it has moved into a place where okay, not really just the doctors, but even the staff. When I enter and reception पे मुझसे कौन बात कर रहा है? Is that person really glad or really helpful or really reassuring that my patient is going to be fine at the end of this journey, right? So having a value cycle there. So value proposition for a hospital has started from there. Again, like we all know, hospitals are built by ethics. So hospitals, pharma companies cannot produce ads as easily as most FMCG industries. So hospitals branding is also coming like that, where you have a doctor's journey. The billboards are starting to look a little different, and you have technological advertisements, right? Like that is the value. Like अगर मैं patient हूँ या हम में से किसी के family member patient है, I know that there is a really new age CT scan or an MRI machine, and that's the value proposing to this patient. तुम्हारे हो तो तुम्हारे tests इतने advanced tech में हो रहे हैं कि तुम्हें डरने की बात नहीं है. And this is all value proposition in the cycle of the hospital without ever being really loud about it, which is quite interesting, which I thought. And I think that's the core value proposition theory that now people are coming up in a big way and applying to hospitals. So, yeah.
So
Yeah, actually, adding on to what you just said, I came across this concept of STP, which is segmentation, targeting, and then positioning. So it's interesting to understand how. So we were talking about how hospitals are marketing themselves. Right now, for bringing in patients, they are segmenting like which kind of patient will suit this kind of a hospital. For example, if we are looking at Apollo or Fortis for that matter, so they segment that upper middle class. And, people who would like to have that, advanced care as the part of their treatment procedure. And then again, putting up social media posts and, putting across certain camps for that matter, targeting that segment to bring in the patient and positioning themselves, वैसे कि we are this high class, hospital which provides this kind of care. And bringing in doctors again, that is very important. The qualification of the doctor is again a thing that plays a major role here. And apart from that, providing them some additional perks, like we were discussing about Cloud9, I think, during our lectures. and we got to know they have certain perks for their patients as well. So I think that was one interesting thing about STP which I understood, and again there is not too much of a creative liberty when it comes to marketing in hospitals.
Yeah, but I think वो नहीं होना is also a very big thing.
Yeah.
If
Yes.
you're really good at it, I think there's so much scope for
Yes,
people
exactly.
in marketing.
I
I
think-
think it's the most strategic role you can have.
Yes.
For smaller clinics, I think social media marketing is the only way they're getting patients. For small clinics in छोटे मोटे society के areas.
Ads वगैरह भी देखते हैं ना
Yes,
Instagram
yeah,
पे.
yeah.
So many
Now-
pages opened.
Yeah, actually, and I read about it, right? Like what she talked about, there is a search engine optimization now. Like most of us have become the home Google doctors, as they say. So it's true. When we feel something, one of us just Googles and finds out where the nearest doctor is.
Yeah.
So उस time पे correct, like that not having that creative liberty and using these small things, I feel like it's a challenge,
Yeah.
and it's also quite fun to know that we as somebody who are working towards becoming a partners or a stakeholder in the industry or the sector have a scope to better it
Yeah.
or develop it, right? Like such a cool thing to just think of a branding campaign for a hospital and you think कि तुम hashtags कैसे बनाओगे because there is no boomer and no mentors जिंदगी to do about it.
Because सबके लिए
नहीं,
है
but वही
कोई
है ना कि
fund
अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट का कैंपेन करना होगा
Yeah.
तो इट्स वेरी लाइक इट्स आउट देयर यू कैन
Yeah.
जस्ट ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट things that the other companies are already doing.
Yes.
But then doing it for a hospital would be such a challenge. But then if you really like it, I think you can pull it off.
Definitely.
I think इसका तरीका outreach programs और camps ही सबसे ज्यादा
Yeah.
दिखता है
हाँ,
because
but
वो
उसमें भी
service
ऐसा
का
क्या अभी वही कि हर हॉस्पिटल वो कर रहा होगा
Hmm,
बट
that's
अगर
true.
तुम तुम्हारे कंपनी के लिए तुम्हारे हॉस्पिटल के लिए क्या अलग कर सकते हो
Yeah.
इज वेयर यू कैन रियली पुट इन योर माइंड
Yes.
If it comes down to execution also, the precision and the quality of execution they are providing you, maybe that.
And I also like about ADA, what I liked is when you talk about the action, interest, desire, and attraction theory, what we talked about, is the fact that this is now coming today, right?
Yeah.
Like we have been talking about this today because now the patient is more aware.
Correct.
Earlier, that a theory like an intense interest or a desire and then marketing or tapping onto that part would not have made sense, but the way world is changing and the patient is getting more aware of his rights, of the kind of treatment he deserves.
Yeah.
I think that's very interesting to know.
There's
that
also a lot of competition now. No?
Yes.
There are so
Yes.
hundreds of
Yeah, yeah,
hospitals and hundreds of clinics that are offering. And if you look at it, सबके पास सब कुछ एडवांस है ही अभी.
हाँ, yeah.
To stand out, I think you have to be very
Yes.
strategic.
Yes.
पेशेंट्स रन फॉर सेकंड ओपिनियन
Yeah.
तो फिर आप ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो कि एक ही इसमें पेशेंट इज लाइक ओके
Yeah.
Yes.
आई ट्रस्ट दिस और आई विल गो विद
Nice.
Yeah, even if they go to a second option, they should come back.
Come back to
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
exactly.
Call
That's
me
the
old
main
school, but I think at the end of the day, doctor तुम्हें कितनी कैसे communicate कर रहा है, तुम्हें कैसे समझा रहा है, that makes a huge difference.
Right, and we don't think about this. Like we don't think about this as a strategy in marketing. तुम्हें लगता है कि okay डॉक्टर के पास गए तो खत्म हुआ मैनेजमेंट.
Yeah.
But that's not true. Like I think all of these skills that we're learning are really coming up in a big way, and it's so interesting. Like अभी बात करते वक्त भी मुझे suddenly ये topic इतना ज़्यादा theoretical नहीं लगा.
Yeah.
Like क्या कर सकते हो? Yeah, it's very practical and it's very fun.
Okay then, I think that's about it.
Yeah.
And since we are starting this new episode, so we are taking it a little bit slow. And let us know in the comments below if you come across any interesting marketing strategies. And send it to your friends who are doing MBA or anywhere in healthcare, and give us some suggestions about some other interesting branding strategies.
Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram. It's not so nerdy. Looking
Yes.
forward to your comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel here on YouTube, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.